fitness centre on this. Max Professional Fitness. They got some weights. Looks quite big inside actually. And that was the cinema floor. And there's a Royster set. And we're in the, I don't know if this is a mango, I don't know. It's got the Nimmanhaemin on there, it says. So we're right on the top floor of the shopping centre. We've gone right to the top floor of the shopping centre and just to check out the views. On the cinema level, arcade machines. Loads of things for the kids on the next level down. Now they're all playing some sort of card game, some shopping cards or playing cards. Like ripped in half. Cool. Even no clock, it's digital.
Digital.
Digital, yeah.
Yes, high, high. Free.
Yeah, I don't know. My old manager,
Analog.
Yeah.
Digital.
my old manager,
Yeah.
he bought a Fat Boy Harley Davidson, but he cannot ride.
Oh.
He tried to do test and fail, and it just sits in the garage
Oh.
for years. It's just sat there because he can't ride it.
1 million.
Yeah.
1 million. Ooh. New generation 114.
Oh.
And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and comment. It's completely free.
Yeah.